welcome to the Macro at the show. And today we got some really awesome stuff I want to do with you. I got an unboxing video for you. Yeah, let me get the box. Ooh, we got a special package that's signed for Mr. Matthew Griffith. Wonder what it could be. Oh, it's be easy to open. Oh, another package. This is funny. Do such a thing. Even this top part should be. Oh, seems familiar. What does this look like to you? Quack, 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 quack. Anyway, looks like I got these Muppet figures. I got some of these Muppet figures. I'll show you. Pepe and Scooter. Man, usually they give you a bunch of cards. New Zealand. Look at that. Alright. And you know who Janice is from the Muppets. I'm Zoot, Dr. Teeth, and the Electric Mayhem. Usually, I got some tons of ideas with these things. This looks familiar. Alright, now that it is done, I want to show you this video I made of something that is funnier from any show I can think of. Okay. Alright, while I'm doing some things, please enjoy this video I made of my mom. It's so funny. Hey Mom, how are you feeling today?
I am not so good, Matt. Hey, thanks for letting me stay at your place. I just lost my car and everything, and I really need to get to work and everything.
Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, don't worry. You still got me.
Thanks, Matt. It's so cool you have your driver's license.
You know, it is super nice of me to give my mom a ride to anywhere she needs to go. I just tell her I'm not giving rides to any of her boyfriends.
My milkshakes brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right. It's better than yours. Damn right. It's better than yours. iCloud teach you. But I'd have to charge. My milkshakes brings all the boys to the yard.
What the heck happened to my life?
I'm sorry, Matt. I keep adoring you.
Oh, sure, Mom. It's funny, alright.
Hey, Matthew, thank you for taking me out to dinner. It was the best night of my life.
Hey, anything for you, Mom.
Hey, Matt, what's that building we're passing by?
I'm pretty sure it's a bank.
No, I think it's the gas company.
Oh, man, Mom. That smells worse. Hey, Mom, are you sleeping or something?
Shut up and drive the bus. Shut up and drive the bus.
Hey, Mom, you keep talking like this, I'm gonna have to send you back to the homestead.
If I go back home, you come on with me too.
Yeah, right. Great, I got to pull over thanks to you. What seems to be the problem, officer?
License and demonstration.
Here you go.
Can you explain to me why you did 90 miles an hour?
Well, I'm taking my mom to the hospital, a mental hospital. She's deeply insane.
Well, your mother doesn't look insane dangerously to me.
Well, that's because she's pregnant, about to give birth to triplets.
Oh my god, she is pregnant. I apologize, please take her safely to the hospital.
Well, okay, thank you, officer. Do I still get a ticket, or?
Nope.
Well, thank you. Wow, Mom, that was really funny. Thank you.
Well, I know how to handle the fun.
You know what, Mom? You're welcome to stay at my place. Just promise me you'll respect my rules in my house.
Okay.
Okay. So, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the Matt Griffith show. Yeah, that Plotagon video I made, it was pretty funny. My milkshake brings all boys to the yard. Damn right. It's better than yours. Damn. It's better than yours. I could teach you. My milkshake brings all boys to the yard. Damn. It's better than yours. Yeah, that's something I would probably do when I hit 21. Oh yeah. Yeah, my birthday is March 22nd, so all you guys can, in the comments, you can wish me a happy birthday on March 22nd. If I make a video by then. Well, okay. Thank you for watching the Matt Griffith Show, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay? Bye.